think it's more and more rare as time goes on to have individuals who are an active part of a business answer the phone and directly talk to the customers and assist them the second that they contact us with a next step and have an immediate response and an immediate direction to take. Well, we've developed a team that's able to start the process in the most helpful way that we can instead of delaying the next steps. All of our team members, we know how to arrange the next step, how to answer initial questions, common questions. We're very familiar with all the categories that we work in and know whether we can help you or not, kind of whether we're a good fit for your project or not, and at least some sort of direction of where you should go next, what we can do to help next. Should we set a consultation? Should we have you bring your piece in? Should we get photos? Should we talk you through a process and give you an idea of how it works and cost in order for you to know whether you're a good fit for our process and whether we fit with what you're looking for. Well, I'm always glad when people reach out to us, even if we're not the right fit for them or we don't work in the category that they're looking for. We're still happy to help and talk them through what are their options. Are there anyone we've heard of that are in the area or maybe a little further outside of our general vicinity that they could discuss with for more specific assistance or that they could send their piece to. So I always think it's great when people call us for any reason because we're here to help in whatever way we can, even if it's not something that we can personally assist with. When someone reaches out to us, we help you as far as we can, and then sometimes we turn it over to a consultant or to one of our craftsmen or whoever they need to speak to get full scope of questions answered. 3 weeks later, they reach back out to me even though they've already had a consultation and they just have a follow-up question. I'm happy to help and they have my contact info the whole time. So even if their project's been completed for 2 years, they can always reach back out to the same person and know that we have a track of everything we've talked about and our notes and of course their work order and all the history of what we worked on, what we did to their piece, and how that whole process went. Every project that we work on is completely different usually than anything we've worked on before. No piece of furniture has the same wear and tear or the same history or really the same age even. I mean, it's rare that we get an antique of the same type twice. It does happen, but not very often. So every conversation we have is unique, and we're going to ask a lot of questions to find out, what's your motivation? Why is this important to you? And then also, how can we help fit your goals for the end result? What process do we need to take? So the more time that we have talking to you, the more accurate we can be and the more helpful we can be in the long run.